Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret, Chapter 9, Shloka 3. Persons without faith in this dharma, the divine self, O Pranatapa, without attaining me, return to the path of rebirth, fraught with death.
Chapter 9, Shloka 3. Ashraddadana purusha dharmasyasya parantapa aprapya mam nivartante mrityu samsara vartmani.
Chapter 9, Shloka 3. As a contrast to the path of light, what is the destiny of those who are not seeking the self, the imperishable? Those who are not seeking the self, which is changeless, shall remain in samsara, which is ever changing, fraught with death. Change is death. In every change, the death of the previous state is the birth of the new state. Change can only take place on a changeless substratum, even though it cannot be seen with the naked eye. It is ever serving the process of change. Can a river flow without a riverbed supporting it? All dance movements are on the stationary floor. No matter how much one enjoys dancing, one cannot dance forever without rest. One will die of exhaustion. The more one meditates on change, the more one gets fixed in it. It robs all powers, intellectual, mental and physical, and keeps one glued to seek, aggrandize and possess more and more, leaving no time to think about the higher, so remain in darkness and suffer birth after birth, womb after womb. The real substratum can give both temporary relief and also permanent rest. To live in change with constant awareness of the consciousness, seeking the self as the goal, is the right way of living a meaningful life of meditation. But those who lack faith in the divine essence, the self of all, get abducted by the false glitter of the sense objects, which is a symptom of delusion, and working for their sensual satisfaction only, return to the path of rebirth fraught with death, instead of seeking and realizing the imperishable. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.